Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn words with the short I sound. Are you ready? This is the letter I. The short I says ih. Say it with me. Ih, ih, ih. Now listen carefully. The short I sounds is in words like ih, insect, ih, ink, ih, igloo. Can you hear the ih sound? Ih. Fantastic. Now let's read some words with the short I sound. Here is our first word. Watch each letter carefully. K, I, D. Now let's blend them all together. K, I, D. Kid. A kid is a young child just like you. Wonderful. Next word is f, I, G. Fig. A fig is a sweet, yummy fruit. Ready for the next one? S, I, mm. Blend it together. S, I, mm. Sim. A SIM card goes inside a phone. Here comes the next word. B, I, mm. Blend it together. B, I, mm. Bin. We put rubbish in the bin to keep our home clean. Oh, this next word is so much fun. Z, I, p. Blend it together. Z, I, p. Zip. We zip up our jacket. Last word. K, I, t. Blend it together. K, I, t. Kit. A first aid kit keep us safe when we have a small boo-boo. Wow, look at that. You have learned 6 short I words today. Let's read them all together now. Here we go. Kid, fig, sim, bin, zip, kit. Now we will read faster. Kid, fig, sim, bin, zip, kit. You read them all. You are a superstar reader. Good job. You worked so hard today. Every time you practice, you get better and better. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Pearl's Valley Kids Heaven for more fun phonics videos every week. Tell a friend too. Sharing is caring. See you in the next video. Bye bye, superstars.